Alright, today's video, I'm going to be flying the RC boat over there, just getting everything set up.
I was one, was just the first son to carry the burden. I was barely a person. My folks were young, but committed to keep up their end of the bargain. Protect me from harm and grow a garden. I was loved, I was fed, might sleep through the night. I was taught how to talk and how to read you from left to right. I learned to argue and fight from a distance where my vulnerability gets no recognition. And by the time I was 11, I was already defensive. An extension of environment and reinforced messages. Preemptively believed eventually I'll be a failure to my family and friendships. And when you mix it and blend it with contemporary pressures of adolescence, emphasis on the consensus of a book full of portraits, but didn't consider that we've been sketching stick figures underneath bigger pictures. Pieces that were missing always felt more special. Better bring some bigger pencils to sketch my soul. But yo, when I was 31, both ends burning them. Thought that I was lost in the jungle, but I was in search of something. Learning how to deconstruct my puzzle. Permanently nervous, I was in love with the hustle. The devil went to hell just to sell that selfishness. They tried to make me feel important. I fell for it. Embarrassment, trepidation, plus a healthy dose of self-imposed limitations over my own illustrations. And when I struggled with the number 41, I had a couple more sons. And it feel like my real life had just begun. It's getting harder to translate. It's likely I've already played my part of this landscape. And all of this time I've been following my design, trying to find a little solace in how the stars align. It kinda looks like glitter, but every pixelated flicker gets the proper position in the biggest of pictures. And when I was 51,
I bet you the fucking video connection would just be fucking brutal to watch on that. It's up there, yes, and no water. No water at all. Totally no water got inside. Except for the little bit of water that dripped in just now. That's awesome. worked out really well. Oh no. Shit. Fuck. Well, I lost it in the water, but now it's actually like, it's armed itself, and it's like, it's fucking cooking it. And like, and now it's like nosing up in the water. Oh, look at it spin. Oh, look at it spin. That's gonna be fucked right up. Wow. It's doing like a nose spin because the motor's armed. It's like spinning out of control. You can hear it. That's crazy. Now it's just the spinning fucking light in the air. Oh, there, the light just went out. That means the battery finally died. That's crazy. Oh, that setup is garbage now. I can't believe that. It actually armed itself when it failed safe and it like died. Now it's just a floating boat in the water. Oh no.